Hello everyone! We're back again for another topic. Today's video, we will discuss the difference between talk and speak. Talking and speaking are both important and much confused words. A lot has been written about the differences, but still there is some confusion during the usage. In this grammar article, let us discuss easy way of remembering the difference between both and when to use each of the words. Example: we can't speak freely when someone is around. We can't talk freely when someone is around. If you notice, both sentences are correct and same in meaning. But what is the difference? The only difference is that speak is more formal than talk. Example: talking to a friend is casual, while speaking with your student is more formal and informative. Talking is more like striking a conversation, while speaking comes from the noun speech, which means relaying information. Let us have a glimpse of the following examples. Example: I will speak to my teacher right away regarding the worksheets. This is a formal conversation between you and your teacher. Another example: I am a bit busy. I will talk to you later. As you notice, this is an informal conversation which you casually do with your friends. A few more examples. The principal will speak in our conference. It means this is a formal way of relaying information. Let's take a look at this another one example. Talk to her directly and sort out the issue. This is an example of an informal conversation which you casually do with your friends or family. How about when we refer to languages? It is correct to say, I speak English, Chinese, and Korean, but you cannot say, I talk French. You may also ask, how many languages do you speak at home? But you cannot ask, do you talk English at home? I hope this topic helped you understand where and how to use talk and speak.